What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when apps are crashing or not properly running on your Mac. First, use Force Quit to stop the frozen app cleanly. Use the Apple menu on the top left corner and choose Force Quit. In the Force Quit Applications window, select the problematic app and click Force Quit. If it shows not responding, confirm the action and wait a moment before reopening the app. Next, review required permissions. Open System Settings. Select Privacy and Security in the sidebar and verify that the app has what it needs. For example, turn on location services for the app if it relies on your location. Do the same check for Bluetooth, camera, microphone, files and folders, photos, screen recording, accessibility and local network. Toggle access on, then relaunch the app to test. Update macOS to rule out known bugs. Go to General in System Settings and click on Software Update. If an update is available, install it and restart your Mac. Small point releases often contain crash fixes for frameworks that many apps use. Next, verify your available storage. In the General section, open Storage to see how much free space you have. Many creative apps, games and developer tools generate large caches and temporary files. If free space is low, delete unneeded files, empty the trash, and follow the storage recommendations Apple shows. Aim for several gigabytes of free space so apps can create caches and virtual memory safely. Temporarily disable VPN and test again. In the Network section, turn off VPN and relaunch the app. Some apps need to verify licenses or reach update service and can crash or hang if the connection is blocked or rerouted. You can also use the Activity Monitor to spot resource problems. Open Activity Monitor from Spotlight. Then sort by CPU and memory while the app is running. If you see memory pressure turning yellow or red, close other heavy apps or select a runaway helper process and click the stop button to quit it. Try relaunching the app again after you free up resources. Confirm the app is up to date. If you installed it from the Mac App Store, open App Store and check the Updates tab. Then, install any available update before launching again. If you downloaded the app from the developer's website, check their in-app updater or download the newest version directly. As a last resort, remove and reinstall the app. Quit the app, move it to the trash, empty the trash, and then reinstall the latest version. Reinstalling replaces corrupted files while keeping your user documents intact. Once you have made these changes, launch the application again to see if it still crashes. You can use the Activity Monitor application while the other app is running to see if this or another app is using excessive amounts of memory or CPU percentage. You can stop tasks from running and troubleshoot any performance-related problems with your Mac. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.